Hello guys, welcome back to AS Learning. So in this video we will cover the interview experience of one of our subscriber, and this interview was with the company Capgemini. So this interview was for experience around 5 to 6 years, and package offered was around 14 to 15 LPA. So let's start. The first question is explain exception hierarchy in Java. So you can tell about exception hierarchy as we have throwable, then under that we have exception, and one is error. So in exception you can provide the example of runtime exception, compile time exception. So in that case you can tell about the exception hierarchy in Java. Next is explain internal working of hash map. So this is one of the most asked interview question in Java. So we have already covered the video on it. You can find the link in description and also in I section. So just go to it once. Next is what is class level lock versus object level lock. So this comes under the multi-threading scenario. So if we have functionality that we have to put the lock on some method or object, so in that case we can go with object level lock. And if we have functionality that whole class need to be put under the lock mechanism so as to executed by only one thread, so in that case we can go with class level lock. There are multiple differences too, so you can google it once and just make sure you have enough knowledge on this concept, so because it is also mostly asked in MNCs. Now next is explain Java 1.8 features. So you can explain about functional interface, lambda, optional, and then stream API, and if possible just mention or give one of the example based on stream API. So it will be helpful for you to work or to study about string API examples. Next is criteria. What is criteria API in Hibernate? So we can use native SQL or HQL or also criteria API or criteria query in Hibernate to fetch the data. So criteria API is also one of the way to fetch the data from database. So in that we have projection and restriction. So just like go through the example of what the criteria or syntax of criteria query, and if possible please provide the example at the time of interview. Next is difference between SOAP and REST. So this question we have already covered in our previous interview experience, so you can go through it, and it will we have already covered the interview experience for Cognizant, Infosys and Accenture till now. So I am providing the link in description and I section, so you can refer that. It will help you in cracking your next interview with these companies. Next is how to fetch value of variable in get method. So we can use path variable, and if you encounter this question, so next question which can be asked is difference between path variable and path param, request param versus query param. So go google it once and just learn the difference between all these annotations. Next is what are profilers. So profilers in Spring Boot are used to segregate the configuration for each and every environment, like we have dev, QA, then UAT and prod. So for each and every environment we should have a separate config file for simplicity, so and maintaining good coding practice. So for that, in that case we can use profiler, Spring Boot profiler. Then next question was on Angular. So what is the difference between what are the different ways of communication between parent and child in Angular, parent and child component in Angular? So I am just remembering two of like there are multiple, but I am remembering just two out of them. That one is by using service, we can inject service into each and other component and can communicate or transfer the data between components, and other is we can use decorator, that is input and output decorator. So there are multiple other ways also. And next question was git fetch versus git pull. So in git fetch, what happens, both are the same, but in git fetch we only get to know what are the files which have been changed by other people. But in git pull, we, along with the file's name, we can download it or we can pull it from our repository. So the only difference is that git fetch doesn't download or pull the file names from repository to your machine, but git pull does it. Next is find third highest salary using SQL. So we have covered this question, find nth highest salary. So it will help you it will help you in providing the answer for such questions. So just go through it, our SQL interview question series for this. So last question which was asked is that steps to perform CRUD using Spring Boot. So we have covered this video that is implementing CRUD using REST API. So this is around 30-minute tutorial. So it will help you in understanding what are the CRUD and how can we implement using Spring Boot or REST API. So just go through it and please let me know if you have any doubts, or if you also want to share your interview experience, then mail us. The mail ID is mentioned in description, and we also go through our previous interview experience with Cognizant, Accenture and Infosys. So that's it from this video. Thank you and subscribe to our channel AS Learning.